Rayao ni Ilocano.
Dog in the window, the one with the ugly tail. How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. I must take a trip to California and leave my poor sweetheart alone. A dog, he won't be lonesome, and the doggy will have a good home. How much is that dog in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that dog in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. Rayao ni Ilocano. I read in the papers there's a rappers with flashlight that shines in the dark. My love needs a dog to protect me and scare them away with one bar. I don't want a Bentley or a kitty. I don't want to borrow the dolls. I don't want a ball of little fishes.